We reached Delhi early in the morning, but because of the descending from higher altitude to lower altitude, we felt heat a lot more. The moment we saw our bikes back after a really long time, our faces were glowing with happiness, though all the Delhi pollution literally sat on our bikes. Then we quickly rolled out to roast ourselves under the burning sun with a flavor of smoky pollution. We reached Karol Bagh after transforming ourselves into tandoori chicken to get the top rack to Rohit's bike. We got the top rack successfully, but Google decided to screw us. Only God knows how we got back from those chaotic and clumsy narrow streets. And it was the time to head towards Jaipur. Trust me or not, that was the only irritating stretch in this entire trip. We were wondering why there was a lot of traffic on this stretch until we saw these settlements of farmers who were protesting against the government. Out of curiosity, they stopped us and we had some conversation for a while. And also we took some group pictures. We never refused to take some breaks to fuel ourselves on the go, while the temperature dropping down quickly. So as soon as we woke up, we were set to roll out. And the first thing we did in Jaipur was this.
You guys have come from north?
No, we are from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad?
Yeah.
Charlie.
Like, how do you eat this?
This is like.
This is bati.
Yeah, bati. तो उसको है ना तो ये सब मिक्स करके खाना पड़ेगा.
Like I need to like.
Yeah, exactly same things. उसको चूर दो उसको.
Okay.
उसके बाद ये डालो और उसके बाद दाल डालो.
Okay, this is what is this?
It is like a churma.
Oh, churma. Okay.
Churma. It is made from.
Kurma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or it's called latin dal.
Okay, I need to like do this. Sir.
Yeah, same
Okay,
thing.
मैं I was like ये क्या है?
Yeah, no. Otherwise it is not so good.
Yeah.
It is so good.
Okay.
So.
We were literally confused to what to see in Jaipur. Then this auto guy came to us and he was our guide to explore Jaipur.
Okay. उनका जो लेदर पैकेज इनका रियल लेदर वो वहीं बनता ब्रदर
Okay.
will be available because of the Maharaja who can say when I was get up I just want to see the temple.
Well, okay.
That's it. That's why. टाइम लगा आपको हैदराबाद से आने में
4 दिन.
और कितना दिन आप अभी राजस्थान में?
और 2 दिन रुकते हैं और एक दिन कल एक दिन यहाँ पे रुकते उसके बाद वो क्या है रेत है ना रेत कहाँ पे मिलेगा वहाँ जाते हम.
अच्छा जैसलमेर
नहीं बीकानेर.
बीकानेर.
He told us some history of Jaipur and took us to this place. Very dirty. I need to get my bike wash done. पता मैप बैठ को I was facing few issues with my bike, so we rolled out to check what happened to it. We are heading to nearby service center just to check what happened to my bike. Problem was unsolved, but we met the person who is running one of the oldest service center in Jaipur, and we were the most luckiest to see some rare machines which they are restoring.
This is the BSA 1942. The serial code of this bike is M20.
M20.
M20. Which came in 1942. It is an army model. They use the vehicle in the on the army basis to reach for the office and all that. And after the cycle which is used by the army. Then they are just selling it up, then the auctions is happening and the civilians are going there and bargaining and the rounds of amount is going there, and then they are purchasing it and then they are restoring it again and then they are using it. So it's 1942 model.
Nice.
We have stored it like 1 year back. And
that's crazy.
It's completely restored vehicle right now.
It's working now?
Yeah, it's working.
So is this a stand or what?
Yeah, this is the side stand.
Oh.
What? That is a side stand.
And even you can see in the front there is no shopper in this bike.
Oh.
It is a single spring system which is handled by the camper also. And you are off-roading like on this big.
ये क्या है?
This is the choke lever.
Okay, choke है.
And this is the advanced retard. Advanced retard.
Like you should get back to neutral.
You can tune the setting of the bike while riding. Like you want to ride it on the fast, then you may
Okay.
And when you want to ride it slow, and you can.
Crazy.
This is a 350 one.
Yeah, this is the later model. It just came in 1952, and
That's a 1942.
That is 1942. This is
1952. Okay.
So we are working on it. We are just restoring
Where will you get this parts?
We are arranging from our some old links, some old school mechanics, and some parts guys, and some we are
import all over India.
Importing also from outside to India. And this is
Nice.
the Java Czechoslovakian bike.
Okay. Czechoslovakia?
Yeah. We have done some
Modification. Yeah, वो समझ में आ
My
गया.
father had done like 750 kilometers race in a day on this bike.
Whoa.
First, second, third consummation. You can focus it on the picture and the route map.
Like 750 kilometers in one day?
In one day, yeah.
What?
O'clock in the evening. And you can imagine like in that condition of the roads when they were single.
Yeah.
They were It's like
चल जाते हम लोग.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Your beauty.
Nice.
Here she is.
She. Even mine is she.
And this is the BSA 500. We are working on it.
Wow.
This is also the 500cc and 1942 and 20.
Crazy.
And this is the cycle of my father's
father.
That means
समझ में आ गया. इसको डायनामो बोलते हैं ना भैया.
Dynamo, yeah.
Yeah.
So what is
The
that?
backlight
Light of sight.
is working.
Okay.
It is producing his light.
By itself.
My grandfather's cycle, I have it in my home right now, in my hometown. It has to, you see, have a dynamo. भाई क्या है dynamo मेरा बाप को सताता था. ये dynamite है, dynamo नहीं बोल के सताता था.
Yes. It have a 3-speed gearbox also.
Oh.
Bearing inside.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, it is controlling by this chain, and there's the first, second, third lever is there.
Okay.
And it had a covered chain cover.
This bike looks like a RX-100.
Yeah, it's somewhere around
Ah.
it's a BSA.
Ah.
Yeah, it's a BSA, but 650. No, GT50. And with you can see the engine size is very small, but the combustion segment with the head, which is like
So is this a 50cc bike?
it's a 50cc.
Oh.
only. For the extra cooling, the company had given us such a big head over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is dope.
All that.
Is this bike still working?
Yeah, it's working now.
Oh.
This one is not working. It's writing on
Okay.
the process. But
Yeah.
rest of the bikes are working.